So we left off on C. We left off on C, and we want to make sure that we are definitely understanding the lesson. So we are replacing our inputs, our x with our inputs. Here we did negative 2 times 0, which is 0, gave us 0, 0. So as I said in the last video, that is a direct variation. That means it's going through the origin, which is 0, 0. So negative 2 times 1 is a negative 2. So 1, negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is a negative 4. So 2 comma negative 4. So negative 2 times 3 is a negative 6. So that is going to be 3 comma negative 6. So let's go ahead and label our graph. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10. Okay, so we're going to graph these. So 0, 0 right at the origin. 1 and then down to negative 2. 2 and then down to negative 4. 3 and then down to negative 3. My line might not be, it might be a little crooked, so excuse me. All right, I'm sorry, I couldn't even see. I plotted my points, I graphed it. Okay, 0, 0, 1, negative 2, 2, negative 4, 3, negative 6, and I drew my line. Okay, let's go to our last example of these because we're just graphing. So we have our input, which is x, output is y. We have 3x minus 2 is the function this time, x comma y. We're going to use 0, 1, 2, and 3 just like we did before. So that means 3 times 0 minus 2. 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract 2, that is a negative 2. We had to use order of operations there because clearly multiplication or division comes before add or subtract. So we have 0 comma negative 2, and that looks right because that's the y-intercept. So next is 3 times 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Then take away 2, we have 1. 1, 1. Next is 3 times 2, which is 6. Minus 2 is 4. 2 comma 4. 3 times 3 minus 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. 3, 7. We're going to go ahead and label our graph if you need to. 2, 4, 6. And again, I'm just doing evens because I'm good at evens. If you want to do odds, you can do odds. I know some people are good at odds. That's fine. You can do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So I guess I'm good at odds. Negative 2 and then negative 4. And we're going to plot our points. The very first one is 0, negative 2. Remember, that's the y-intercept. So it has to land on y at some point, and it lands right there, negative 2. And then we have 1, 1. And then we're going to go 3, and then all the way up to 7. Oops, I skipped 1, and then we're going to go 2 to 4. Yeah, I skipped 1. I skipped right down, didn't I? Okay, so here we're going to draw our line, and I'm trying to make sure I'm straight. Trying to make sure I'm straight. Complete my line. It looks pretty straight. And that was linear functions. Remember, a linear function is a straight line, except your vertical line. That is the only straight line that is not linear because it's undefined. The slope is undefined. It wouldn't ever say y equals. It wouldn't say y equals. It would say x is equal. But what is y? If we have no output, how can we have an input? So please make sure you know, because that would be x equal to like 5. And then if I put 7, 7's not equal to 5. It never will be. So the only output it would have is 5. So it's only one output when it's undefined. So that does not work. Vertical lines are non-linear. Hopefully this helped you, and I hope you understand. Hopefully tomorrow when we practice graphing, you'll get better at it. Good luck and have a good afternoon.